Fancy stamping. Today I would like to show you how to use the Powder Pal. It's part of the Embossing Additions Tool Kit on page 49 of the July to December 2022 mini catalog. Now you may see this in the catalog and not actually know how to use it or what it is about. Now, I myself don't have that actual kit that comes with it, but I'll show you here. This is it right here. Now, it comes with an embossing buddy, a brush, a set of tweezers, and a powder pal. Sorry, right there. Now, I'm not going to show you how to actually emboss something. I just want to show you all about the kit. But I will tell you that if you're going to do any amount of embossing, then this is a kit to own. The embossing buddy is used to take static out of your cardstock so that the little flecks of embossing powder doesn't stick to it. And you need the brush. Now this is just a brush I have on hand. One comes with it. But the brush that comes with it, and then also the tweezers is what you would hold the cardstock with as you're embossing it. Now, for those of you that don't know, embossing is when you take a stamp pad like Versamark that's really sticky, ink up your stamp, put it down on a piece of cardstock, and then you sprinkle embossing powder over it. And because the ink is very sticky, the embossing powder sticks to it. And then you dump it away, and then you heat set it with a heat tool. And this is my heat tool. So like I said, I'll do a video on how to emboss something at a later date. Now, on page 128 of the annual catalog, you're going to see basic stamping emboss powders. Right? Now, when you flip it over, that's going to be clear, black, and white embossing powders. But to add shine and glimmer and everything around, to add shine and glitter to your cards, it's great to use the metallics. Metallic stamping embossing powder. And they come in 3 in the package, the same as the other ones, the 3 in the package. And we have gold, silver, and copper. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to show you. I'm just tapping down, making sure all of the silver embossing powder is down from the top. And as you can see, you get a lot with it, right? Now, the powder's all right. Okay. What you're going to do, again, you're going to put you're going to use Versamark, you're going to stamp whatever image you're going to want to stamp, and then you're just going to dump it on there. Set that down, and when you do it, you're going to pour it kind of back in there, and you're going to tap off the excess, and then this is going to be left with an image, right? So now you have your embossing powder in your powder pal, and as you can see, some of it's spilled over. What you do with this is the powder pal has like a little plug in the end of it. So you just take that plug out. See? You set it aside because you're going to put it back. And then you just set your jar down and you use the paintbrush that comes with it. Again, not this one, because this is my one. It wasn't a little kit when I got it before, so. Okay. And then you just put your top back on it. Now, sometimes when you use the silver and the metallics, the gold and the copper, you're going to get like a little sheen on your powder bow. But that's okay. All you have to do is rinse it with water, dry it thoroughly before you use your next powder, right? But for now, I'm just going to wipe it. Now, just a little bit left in there. Because with the static and everything, sometimes it gets caught on there. All right. So, the powder pal is also good if you want to use a lot of beads and stuff. So this is effervescent elements, and as you can tell, it's just a whole lot of beads, right? So if you were going to use it in a project, you can use it in the powder pal, and then if they spill over or whatever, again, just take the little plug out the end, right? So, oops, what? They're in there. So these will be a little bit easier because they're round, right? But then you just pour them back in. And you would put the little plug on back in place so that next time you want to use it, it's all ready to go. And it's also great to use with the Sparkle and Shine sequins assortment. See, again, you won't lose any, and it helps you save money because then you're not spilling it all over the place. You just make sure it goes all back into the container. Oh. As anybody knows at stamps, that if you're using glitter, it's everywhere. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you have any questions, then feel free to contact me at nancyfancystamping.com, and I'll certainly answer any questions that you have. And if you wouldn't mind, could you please click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.